So guys, your girl is back home like she never left, and I am so excited, guys, to share with you the gifts, or rather no, the souvenirs I bought from Addis. So let us unbox everything together, okay? So of course, guys, what is Addis without the green gold? Guys, I bought this coffee, Tomoka coffee, since 1953. And guys, I'll tell you the story of this coffee. I'll probably do another vlog about it, but of course, so I bought this for a very good friend of mine, loves coffee like crazy. So if you are watching this, please call me and let's arrange for how you pick your coffee. So that's the first item that I bought. And then so this is the second one. Oh my god, just look at the packaging. These two I bought from the same place where I bought the coffee. This is like the place to buy stuff in Addis. Hey, are you guys ready? If you watched my vlog for coming from Nairobi to Addis, you probably saw this thing. Guys, I saw this thing and I was like, I have to get one for myself. And it comes with the, what do we call it? Let me show you. So this is like the stand, because this is the bottom. This is how it looks. Guys, I cannot wait to brew coffee for you guys. And you see, this is like the lid. So, and this thing, guys, it's made of clay. You can actually put it on the fire. So how you do it, you put your boiled water in it, like put the water up to somewhere here, and then drop in your coffee, let it boil for some time, let it set for like 2 minutes, and then ready to serve. You can watch that vlog and then look at, guys. Whoa, I love it. What do you guys think? Let me know about the choices. Okay, so this is the packaging. It came with this packaging. Wow, so this is a very, makes for a very nice souvenir gift. I probably may be tempted to gift someone this, but we'll see. Okay, and then guys, there's this other one. So this is the first one that I bought. I bought this one. So prices, guys. So this one I bought for 680 birr. I don't know what the exchange rate is. I think 50 to the dollar. So 680 birr. You can do your math in your own country. And then this one, everything like this, plus the base, I bought for 500 birr. Yeah. So now this one has a story. So before I went to the Tomako shop to buy the coffee and this other one, I found this lady by the roadside. She was selling this. And I was like, wow, I would love this. So I asked her how much it was. She told me it goes for 400 birr. I said, okay, fine, I'm gonna have it. So as I was looking at the other stuff, she's like, no, it's 500 birr. I'm like, okay. And then at the end of it, she's like, it's now 600. I told her, you know, honey, you can keep your kettle. But eventually I bought it at 500 birr. I love it. It didn't come with a base, but I'm gonna use the other base. And look at the lid. It's made of clay as well, guys. Okay, so this was 500 birr. And the whole, so this is slightly, let me just, what do I say? Let me put them side by side so you can see the difference. You can see? Maybe like this. This one is slightly bigger, but I love this one. It's really classy and elegant and what. But guys, once we open Starehe Mana, you are all welcome for a cup of coffee. And guys, to crown it all, if you know Eva Mutali personally, you know this girl loves to treat herself. So of course, I had to buy me an Ethiopian traditional wear. And I'm gonna wear this and, you know, just show you how I look at it. I look on it, so I will be right back. So guys, let's wear it. Let's wear our dress. It is so beautiful, guys, you won't believe. I love it, like it was. And then I'm pairing it with these wedges. There's a belt. Guys, it's not yet ironed or anything, so and then it has a belt. Guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, let me know, what do you think? Okay, I've just worn the, ignore the black. Okay, so guys, that is the outfit. It has a belt, and then this one here. What do you guys think? Guys, let me put something on the bed so that you can see how I look. Let me climb on the bed. So guys, that's how the dress looks. Like, I love it so much. Guys, I really love my souvenirs from Ethiopia. It's a beautiful place, guys. If you are ever able to afford, please do yourself a favor and visit Addis at least, okay, once in your lifetime. You will not regret it, guys. Love you all.